Ghana. And welcome to Ghana, and this is a special symbol to share with you that we are in Ghana.
Welcome to Ghana. Enjoy Accra, Ghana. We are in the streets of Osu, going to enjoy the Homowo Festival in Ghana. It's an art festival. You eat, you drink, you do a lot of things. You enjoy part of the Ghanaian culture and mostly Accra culture. I'm not from Accra, I'm from the central part of Ghana, and I'm a fancy. But this time I'm in Accra celebrating the Homowo Festival with Claude, Joseph, and
Burundian traveler.
Enjoy the video from Accra. Aquaba from Accra.
Alright guys, yeah, let's see and what's happening or something. Alright. Are you ready for it, bro?
Yeah, we are ready.
Okay.
Enjoy the Homowo Festival here
Okay.
in Accra, Ghana.
Okay.
To be precise.
Alright guys, let's go and see. I see already everybody in this amazing street, great and amazing. They are really trying to see what's happening over here. It's not everybody's coming.
It's mostly for the Ghana people, the Accra people, but it's festival that attracts a lot of people. So Accra too is like a visiting place. So all the ethnic group in Ghana, all of us are living here. Even we are living in Accra.
In Accra.
From Accra.
Also me, I'm living in Accra.
But you are not from Accra.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So it's like a national thing, but it's for this Accra people. Yeah.
Okay. Guys, let's see and celebrate what will be happening over here as we keep on seeing an amazing. People have really decorated the place, and they have really brought different species of their different kind of food. And let's try and see. It's a festival that always occurs once, I think, in a year, and I thank God that I'm around here. The music is musicking. Always very safe. They are cleansing. They are cleansing.
I want to explain to you.
Oh yeah.
Okay, this is the original Ghana people, the original Accra people. So they are performing their tradition, and they are doing their traditional rites.
Rituals. Okay.
They are cleansing
Hey!
Your wife! They are cleansing the streets of Accra.
Okay.
You see that thing on the head is snap. Snap.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what they used to clean the streets.
Oh, it's like alcohol.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
This now, when you are coming to get married in Ghana, your husband have to bring this one to your family.
Okay.
And we use it to pour libation to our boss in Ghana.
Okay.
So they are just performing the right. You can listen from the back.
Guys, it's a coincidence. I put on white and they are putting on white.
Yes.
Oh my God.
That's their tradition.
So they think
you can listen from the back. The woman is performing their tradition in their local language.
Oh, okay.
Not the Accra language, but the local language.
Okay.
In Accra they speak Ghana.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the local language.
All right. Thank you. That's so great. Wow. Very, very nice, guys. I hope you have heard that was happening around. And this is what you see. Okay. So there is a lot of activities that are happening over here, so let's dash into of this amazing of the dancing one so that we can check and see what's happening over here on this amazing one. Let's just wait and see.
That's CJ.
Jennifer Barbie. Attention à la route.
This is Homowo Festival. It's the only festival in Accra, Ghana, or in Ghana, and you'll never find it anywhere else. This is due to appease the ancestors that all migrated from Israel all the way through Nigeria, Liberia, some in Togo, and some came and settled in this place called Accra, Ghana. This is the what you call like the Das or the Gas and the Dagmates. These are the people who remain, and now this is performed by the Paramount Chiefs, or we can call them the remaining inhabitants that always practice this. Also, it's being practiced when they harvest their fast food. This is because they perform something called like a charity to everyone. In this festival, if you go to any form of any gas, you'll be given food for free. You'll be welcomed well at this time of the festival. Not only that, also through this festival, it's performed when you don't ought to put on shoes. It's performed by putting on rags, and some put on green leaves around their legs to show the amazing ceremony or festival. Some pour libation, as you see, as a form of libation. They pour alcohol as a form of libation. So others speak or lament in their own language so that they can communicate, a form of communication with ancestors. So this is always performed on the streets of Accra, and we have to migrate from one place to another to showcase or to symbolize what was happening in these days. So hope you guys and let's continue. We are at Homowo Festival.
Sikapio aluago arane eboy ehale mofia moni ba afike no ko ya chale wotene arane na no na gba komba na gba ni eha no ya ba na gba ni ha ya bote tum no wo awoye mofia mu awoye mofia mu na mofia mu wala ju meni to bi afo na bi afo meni to ngama na ngame.
They're lamenting in their own language, guys, as you see on this amazing great thing. So they're doing it for now. So
no side, Chalebati, no side, save and alive. Iman Chawa.
No side.
no side, Salebate. No side.
Chalebati,
No side. No side, Salebate. Straight.
No side.
No side, Salebate.
Save and alive.
Yes.
Chalebati, and alive.
Konko.
Nyele mame zinato.
Yeah.
Eche, blema yo.
The daughter of
The former president.
Oh. The man who led Ghana to coup.
Oh, okay.
late President Rawlings' daughter. Yeah.
Please forward. Yeah. I want to risk behind here.
Watch Ghana news. You will be circulating.
Oh, me. Okay. This is how it's working, guys, on this other side of the beautiful and great amazing place over here. So we are heading to one of the greatest castles around here in Accra, Ghana. So this is one of the activities and celebrations and festivals that they do here in Accra, Ghana. It's one of the special ones. Let me know in your country which of the best and great festives that you usually have over here. So like me, I just joined. It was a coincidence. I came and found that I just assimilating with the white and great amazing attires that are being made here. So we are heading to one of the castles here in Accra, Ghana.
Christian Bock Castle, also
Christian
known
Bock
as
Castle. Okay.
Osu Castle in Accra, one
Accra.
of the famous and cleanest castle in Ghana.
Absolutely. All right.
That place you can go and learn some
All right. Let's go and see the crazy, one of the best amazing history around. And besides me, I'm walking near the late president's daughter over here.
Yeah.
So CJ, the African eagle, over here as we keep on exploring the former
Ghana, the man who led Ghana to,
Oh.
you cannot shout coup.
Okay, absolutely.
Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings, his
Alright.
daughter,
All right.
Honorable Senator Rawlings, MP for Okafo West.
Oh, all right. Gorgeous place. A very great one and amazing. So guys, we're in the former castle in Accra, Ghana. I've been told this is one of the greenest and amazing castle over here. guys? How you guys?